that Ned man is a selfish man. Let me give it to you. You see, the man wants to be governor by all means, and he knows that in Delta we do zoning, that the governorship has to rotate between the three zones. And now it is in Delta Central. He knows that after Delta Central it will go to Delta South before it comes back to Delta North. And he knows that by the time he comes back to Delta North, he'll be too old. So the stupid man,
82 years by that time.
Exactly. So the stupid man wants to go and form, let us create states, so that when the state is created, you try and run for governor. Then, because he was the one that pushed for the state creation, he will get sympathy votes. The man is a crook. I just look at him.
See, my brother, let me tell you something. And it's high time. That is why I've been saying it. Delta North, you people may not understand what is going on in Delta North, but there is an attempt right now, as I speak, to not only annex territories in Delta North, the same attempt is being pushed in River State in the name of one stupid or Rashi state. That same attempt is being pushed right now. So Delta North people, I cannot speak for you because I'm from Edo State. I cannot speak for your people. But I beg you in God's name, protect your identity, even if you are going to have your Anioma state. Oh boy, if this Delta State is in the South region, why should Anioma state come and now be given to the Southeast region? Let them form their own Southeast states now. They said they proposed Olu state, Adada, Etiti state. Form it from your own Southeast. What are you looking for in Delta North? And Delta North, I will round up with this, so shine your eye, because it is happening before your very eyes. We have seen things now that are happening in your areas. How they are trying to change history, how they are trying to annex areas, and some have even gone as far. I started declaring, as I speak to you, if you go to your civil service today, and you can agree with me, in Asaba right now, a lot of foreigners are coming into Asaba to collect jobs in civil service. They are denying you, the Delta North people from Ukwani, from Ika and Co, the opportunity to work in your own civil service. People from Anambra are not coming to occupy your place. They are coming from Ebonyi, coming from Abia. So before you know what is happening, give it 100 years, 200 years from now, they will take over your land. They could not shine on my eye. I hid my mic.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what those idiots from Benin said. One thing you must know is that many of these Benin people don't have sense. A reasonable Benin person will sit down and ask himself, what is the business of Benin people concerning Anioma state creation? That is the question of a reasonable person. Just look at fools sitting down talking against their own father and not Senator Ned Nwoko. Saying that Senator Ned Nwoko, he wants to be the governor of Anioma state. That's why he's agitating for Anioma state. Did we Anioma people complain? Why are they crying more than Anioma people? We are working with Senator Ned Nwoko to actualize Anioma state for the betterment of Anioma people. And one idiot from Edo State is holding live session on Twitter, insulting his father. They are busy insulting a noble man. But when people start insulting their Oba, you will see many of them barking like dogs online. What is the problem of Benin people concerning Anioma state? Are there Benin speaking people in Anioma? Are Anioma people Benin speaking people? Is Anioma land Benin land? Why are they crying? They are telling Anioma people, you people should watch your land, Southeast people, Anambra people are now occupying your office. Just imagine. Are we complaining? If you come to our civil service in Asaba, Anioma people are the ones occupying it. Nobody have ever complained that Southeast people are occupying our government here. Why are these Benin people so wicked? They are the major people fighting this Anioma state creation. They are everywhere on Twitter, everywhere on TikTok, doing live section over what that does not concern them. Fulani people of the South. Ndiwe. Senator Ned is agitating for Anioma state to be the governor of the state. Did we complain? If Senator Ned becomes the first governor of Anioma state, we appreciate it, we welcome it, we love it. The goal is to actualize Anioma state. The governor seat is not an ancestral throne. After 8 years, another person will enter. The animals are saying, if you want Anioma state, you Anioma people, you people should remain in South. Only a fool will want Anioma state to be actualized and remain in South. Anioma state is expected to be zoned to Southeast. For we, the Igbos of Delta North, to coexist with our brothers. This present location that Anioma is today is Southeast land. If not because of divide and rule, Anioma is expected to be in the Southeast. The entire South here are Southeast. If you want to talk about the map. And then also from Italy is there backing, telling us to remain in South. Are we South people? Is South an entity? When I see now, many of the Benin Igbos The second idiot that was saying there said, if you actualize Anioma state, it should remain in South because Delta state was in the South. Can you imagine the audacity? Is Delta state a tribe? Is Delta state our identity? So why should we remain in Delta states? We are Anioma people. Our ancestors have been agitating for so long that they want to coexist with their brother in the South, that they want to join the Southeast where they belong. Look at the newspaper here. And this Ozwai of yesterday is coming here to tell us where to belong. Benin people agenda is to take over Anioma. That's why they are there suspending the kings of Ibanke people in Edo State. They are here to conquer. Benin people are Yoruba people from Ile-Ife. Because if we start dragging them now, people will say, hey, you are dragging people. Just imagine the whole meeting like in the Ogume for something we no concern on her. You are now the ones to tell us where we belong. Just like saying, if Southeast people want a state, they should create a state from their already existing state. We should create a state from already existing states. And Anioma people are here in Delta states. Anioma land is bigger than Benin itself. Anioma land is big enough to be its own country. Anioma land is bigger than so many countries in Europe. And Anioma are Igbo speaking people. You want them to just be in South, to be in Delta states and not coexist with their brothers in the Southeast. You will never see a Benin person calling all this useless set of Benin people to order. No. But when you start talking, they say, yeah, why are you dragging Benin people? Why are you dragging Benin people? Because I said that Southeast Igbos are changing the history of we South Igbos to claim territory. It's a lie. We South Igbos are the ones telling our history. We are telling the world that Ezechime is not a Benin person because these Benin people are claiming that Ezechime is a Benin man, Akalaka is a Benin man, this is a Benin man. None of our founders in Anioma is a Benin person. They all bear Igbo names. My ancestor is called Chime. I'm not a Benin man. So Benin people have no right to dictate for me where I belong. Benin people have no right to dictate for we Anioma people where we belong. We are Igbo people. We are not Benin people. We are not one people with Benin people. We are doing everything possible to make sure that Anioma state is being actualized and zoned to the Southeast where we belong. And one thing must know is that this year set of Benin people cannot stop us. You keep claiming everywhere. Who are you to tell us where we belong? Well, one thing you must know is that the barking of these dogs ends in the comment section. Their barking, their ranting ends in their live section. It will never bring Senator Ned Nwoko down. We must actualize Anioma state and make sure it's being zoned to the Southeast where we belong. Igbo Bofu, and we can never allow this set of animals to divide us. Ishiewale.